As y'all can see behind me, the SQ-Venza is down, man. Oh my goodness. What a mess. What a mess. Oh man. Oh man. But the good news is the system is fine. The car is fine. No airbags, no radiator damage, anything like that. I'll just explain briefly because I got to get to work. But what happened is driving to California to visit family and do some work, and I'm riding on the freeway, obviously, and they have in California, for those who don't know, fast track. It's a carpool lane, a paid carpool lane fast track, and they don't have that in Vegas, not that I'm aware of. And I'm driving, and they have signs on the actual freeway on the road itself. And I'm driving in the far left lane doing normal speed. I'm not speeding at all, nothing crazy. And I look down and I see fast track coming up. I'm like, oh, fast track. And I'm panicking, like I got to get out of fast track because it's paid. And I didn't know if I was going to get a big fine or not. I don't know what the issue is, but I'm trying to get out of the fast track lane, trying to move to the right to get out of the fast track lane. But somebody's on the side of me won't let me out. And I'm like, come on, man, let me out, let me out. And I'm, trying to dart back and forth, but there, you were not going to get in front of me. I'm like, come on, man. They didn't let me out. And next thing you know, I hit those dividers. They're rubber or plastic dividers, and they collapsible. They're collapsible. They collapse so you don't fully damage your car. Thank God they weren't filled with water, like the big water barrels or jugs or trash cans or even steel poles. That would have completely totaled the Venza. But instead, they all collapsed. But I hit like 20 of them. Boom, 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 boom. I'm like, oh my God. But I'm thinking, okay, it's okay. They collapse. They're rubber, plastic, whatever the case may be. I'll be okay. Maybe a couple of scratches I can buff out, and that'll be that. But turns out when I got here, I dropped Penny off with her mom, and I get out and look at my car, and I'm like, oh man, and I see it. I'm like, God dang, God dog. The crazy part about it is I was planning on replacing all of that. My headlights are a little foggy, and I tried to clean them as best they can, but they're just old and they need to be cleaned. The car's a 2013, 13 years old, give or take. I mean, I guess that's normal wear on the headlights. So I was planning on replacing the headlights, and you have to remove the bumper to replace, or most of the bumper to replace the headlights anyway. And the grill was a little damaged on the side when I bought it. I bought it used, and I guess it was in a fender bender, so it was a little give on it. So I was planning on replacing the headlights, replacing the grill, and replacing the bumper anyway. And I was going to do it on my time, but because of this little accident, now I'm forced to do it. The good news is I'm able to do it, thankfully. Also, it's going to cost, I'd say, no more than 500, if that. I like to look for deals, so hopefully I find a deal, can do it for even less. And I'll do the work myself, because going through insurance, it'll be high, just as high, or if not around my deductible, or no, give or take. But they'll have my car for like a month. That definitely ain't gonna happen. Have the text in there sitting there playing my music. Nah, that's not gonna happen. All of a sudden, your speakers are missing. Oh, it was like that when you brought it to us. Nah, I'm not doing that. I'll do it myself. But yeah, man, the SQ-Venza got a snaggle tooth. It's missing a tooth right now. But it'll be all right, man. I give it a week or so, and I'll have it back up and running. But the car runs fine. No radiator damage, no airbags, no damaged lights. The lights are good. Even the fog light at the bottom that got knocked out, it was just a housing, but the light bulb itself still works. So I'm good with that. And yeah, it's just cosmetic. It sucks. I mean, we all love our vehicles, don't want no damage to them, but it's cosmetic, and I'll get it done in, like I said, about a week, and then it'll be back to normal like it never happened.